You wouldn't build a house on a swamp. You wouldn't build a bridge out of jello. So why are you trying to build a machine part out of blue lines? If your sketch is blue in SOLIDWORKS, it's underdefined. That means it doesn't know where it is or how big it is. I call it goo. And today, we're gonna solidify that mess. Let's get to work.
If you can't machine it, don't draw the line. We don't waste hours on a bad design. No smoke, no mirrors, no fancy switches. Designed for the build with Whistle Britches.
Look at this. To the untrained eye, this looks like a rectangle. But watch what happens when I grab a corner. See that? That ain't a part. That's a suggestion. If you try to extrude this and later you change one number, the whole thing is gonna collapse like a cheap lawn chair. This is what we call the wiggle test. If it wiggles, it's wrong. To fix this, we need two things: dimensions and relations. Think of these as the nails and the glue. First, give it a size. We tell it, you are 100 millimeters long and you aren't allowed to be anything else. Notice the lines are still blue? That's because it doesn't know where it is in space yet. This is the step rookies miss. You gotta anchor your ship, lock a corner to the origin, watch the magic. Now you might be thinking, hey Whistle Britches, why can't I just dimension every single line? You can, but you shouldn't. If this is a square, don't tell the computer it's 100 by 100. Tell the computer the top and the side are equal. That's design intent. Now, if I change the top to 200, the side updates automatically. That's not just drawing, that's engineering. Check the bottom right of your screen. If it says underdefined, do not pass go. Do not collect $200. Fix it. Now, I know we just flew right through this simple example and we just scratched the surface on relations. We'll dive deeper into that later and even cover some ways to speed up the process. For now, just remember, when it comes to sketches, black is beautiful, blue is goo. Get your sketches locked down, and I'll catch you in the shop next time.
If you can't machine it, don't draw the line.